If we care about our office space, then we also care about how it looks. Cubicle decor is something that is important to workers throughout the world. Just check our Pinterest. I have many different boards on Pinterest, not the least of which is my most popular board called Cubicle Nation. It's a group board, and if you follow it, I will make it a point to invite you to pin to it. This board covers all aspects of working in an office all day long, including office decor. One particular thing I have noticed at my workplace is that almost everyone is late for meetings. Well, since I have noticed this, I decided to make it a point to try to be on time for any meeting I have been invited to or that I have actually organized. This cubicle clock, since it is on the wall just to the left of my computer monitor, has kept me aware of the time, even while I'm focusing on the tasks at hand. It is a constant reminder of the time of the day so that it helps me be on time for meetings or for a launch on that I have that particular day. I think it's important to be punctual, especially at work, because I think it is a reflection on your work ethic and consideration for others. If you have poor vision, you realize the importance of having tools to keep up with your daily schedule. Having the benefit of large digital clock for the visually impaired will help when going about your daily routine. Conquering your day should not be a chore, and with the right tools and skills, you can make things easy and enjoyable to manage. For ages, analog has been the standard. Maybe you grew up with analog clocks and so large digital clocks seem odd to you, or perhaps they come off as a crutch and you worry that you will become dependent upon them. The reality is, digital clocks give you independence, whereas analog clocks tend to hold you back in the last century. The most significant benefit provided by digital clocks is that they rely on the numeric system. Since a digital clock has numbers instead of hands, you will always have the correct time. While some people still prefer analog, digital clocks have so much to offer. Having multiple components as an all-in-one package is something you will rarely see with an analog clock. Digital clocks are commonly configured with radio, CDs, and MP3 players. Digital clocks can also help the user track the time by voice command or single-button interface that makes them accessible for counting or timing countdowns. The sheer functionality of digital clocks outweighs analog. They are lightweight and can be either battery-powered, plug-in, or both. So, if buttons are not your thing, then you can rest assured that digital clocks can help you with voice control. When you learn voice commands, you can program your clock and teach it to do a whole host of things to get you through your day. Automatic clocks are even more helpful. They set and reset themselves and automatically announce the time and weather. Thanks for watching. Until next time.